Hey guys and gals, sweet project cars here with cool, trick, and affordable ways to do things and simple ways. We've got a customer here that has a little pit bull, and if you know what pit bull hair is like, it is very short and it gets into everything, because many of you asked how we get rid of dog hair from upholstery. And yes, this will work on most any upholstery or carpeting. It's an awesome little tool that we've been using, and I think you'll love it. Take a look at how we do it and be rid of that dog hair. All right, now this is the little tool that we use right here, and it works great. All the hair goes right in this little rig, and all you do is go over it real quick. And it will pull hair that's embedded in your upholstery. Just like that, folks. And here's the hair. All of it right there. That's it. There's your sweet, thorough Thursday video.